Hi Madam, I'm Narmata Palniapan from class TD3 Network 1. So today I'm going to present about practical task 2. The task that given to me is explain desktop environments used in Linux systems and explain shells and command line interface for Linux. So let's see first task. So this is our first task, section A, about graphical users interface. And this graphical users interface is about to access and manage the important and regularly access features and service of an operating system. So now the first task that given to me is customize the dock styled launcher from the left to bottom. So I have shown you the screenshot of how I did. So now I'm going to show how I did the procedure. So this is my VMware interface. I can click in full screen. So first of all we have to go to the settings, and then we have to go to the appearance choice, and then here we can see position of screen. So we have to change it to bottom, and then we have to no need, yes. So once we change it, we can see the taskbar was changed to bottom. So this is the first task is done in here. Okay, the second task is how to. So the first question is how to switch application using shortcut key. So this is how it is. And then the second question is how to open terminal using shortcut key. So we have to click Ctrl Alt plus T. So I can show you in our Ubuntu. So first we have to quit this, and then we have to click Ctrl ANT and T at the same time. So yeah, the terminal can be opened. And so the C question, how to install Chromium browser and demonstrate the usage of this application. So this is how I installed this Chromium browser. So I already did this, and I just add the screenshots over here so I can show you how to do this. So we have to go to the terminal, and we have to click this command sudo snap install Chromium. So I'll try it here. Sudo snap install Chromium. So it's asking for my password, so I'll click my password. So it says it's already installed. So snap help refresh. So it's saying I've already installed the Chromium browser. So I can show you. We'll go to the menu and we'll click here Chromium browser. So I already installed it. So I'll wait for a moment for it loading. So before that, I'll say what is the usage of this application. So Chromium is an application for search everything, just like Windows got Google. So this Chromium is like Google it's actually Google for the Ubuntu. If I click anything we want over here, so it will show the result just like Google lah. So that's it. I'll close this, and then okay, It asks me to remove the Mozilla Firefox browser launcher and then restore the Mozilla Firefox browser into the favorite launcher. So we go to our this one. So I already did that, so I'll just add that to favorite. So yeah, this is our Firefox web browser. So I have to right click that and remove from favorite so it won't appear at here. And we have to go to restore it, we have to go to the menu and click for the Firefox. Again, right click and add to favorite, it will appear here. So that's all. And then okay, how to log out from Ubuntu using GUI. Okay, we have to click this command in Ubuntu terminal and we can log out without clicking any other things. So I'll show you. Go to the terminal and click here genome session quit. Sorry, you have to enter it. So it will ask you, are you really sure to log out? And also I have to click cancel. And then go to this. So the second question, the section B is about terminal. So it asks me to how do you check your version of genome shell in terminal. So this is the command we have to click. So if you click like that, it will be show the version of genome shell. So I can show you that too. Go to this one and we have to click the command over here, genome shell version. So genome shell version, enter. It will show us the the version of this. So the next question is install genome weather application in terminal and demonstrate the usage. So we have to click this command in our terminal. So I already installed that, so I'll show you. I'll click here. It asked me to install the weather, so I'll click the weather. So it's already installed. So the next is and then it asks me to demonstrate the usage of weather application. So in that application we can know the weather condition and all. So the next, install screen fetch in terminal, demonstrate and explain the usage of this application. So this is the command sudo apt get install screen fetch. So I will show you. First it should sudo apt get install screen fetch. So I have to enter and then we have to click this command, which is screen fetch, enter. So we have to wait for a while. Okay, this is our screen fetch. It's already installed, so you can see over here. So the next is usage of screen fetch. It fetches system or team information in terminal for Linux desktop and screenshots. It can be used to generate one of those nifty terminal team information and ASCII distribution logos you can see in everybody's screenshot nowadays. And the third one, it will auto detect your distribution and display an ASCII version of the distribution logo and some valuable information to the right. So the next task is, there are two ways to create an alias name, either temporary or permanent. Create a temporary alias for screen fetch into system terminal system info in terminal. So this is how it looks. So I can show that too. Go to the terminal and click the command alias. We have to click the command system alias system. We have to click equal and then apostrophe screen fetch. So, and then we have to click screen fetch. We have to click system info. We have to click this system info command over here and click enter. So we have to wait for a while. Okay, that's the same thing is coming out over here. And the next section C, tab completion. So tab completion is an important feature in speeding up command typing. Complete the following. So the first task, run terminal emulator in Ubuntu and type apt-. Press tab twice, observe the output. So this is how it looks. And the second one, type an apt-g, press tab at once and observe the output. So this is how it looks. So this is my name. So this is what I did in my laptop, I did in my Ubuntu. So the third one, run terminal emulator in Ubuntu and type rm, press tab twice, observe the output. So this is how it looks. And the fourth, run terminal emulator in Ubuntu and type in cd and press tab twice, observe the output. So this is how it looks. And the last question for section C is, based on the observation, explain two in your own word about functioning of tab completion in shell environment. So this tab completion in shell environment it helps to type the command faster and also allow to send simple text commands. And finally, the conclusion of my whole report. Usage of genome allows monitoring of system resources such as memory, CPU, and disk space. From this assignment, I had learned more about useful of screen fetch and how to use genome app in Ubuntu. I also have learned how to install app using terminal. So that's all from me. Thank you.